welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Today I want to talk about Hyperflash on my Harley Davidson. Alright, so as you know, I had a video I put out I think last year. I'll leave the banner and I'll leave a link in the description to the brand new LED, the retrofit turn signals I put in my bike, front and rear. They're Harley Davidson indicators, so they're supposed to come out and work right on your bike. Alright, so I installed them on my bike, and up in the dash there you get the Hyperflash where the arrows are flashing really fast, and you do some reading and people say you have to put in this and put in that. But let me see here. I had a comment left on my channel by SHINTON. So if you, I'll put it up, I'll put a picture of the comment so you can read it yourself there, but I'll read it to you. He said, turn your ignition on, don't start the bike, then activate your four-ways. Turn off the ignition, and then turn the ignition on again, and Hyperflash should be gone. May take a few attempts. The system needs to acquaint itself with the lesser draw of the LED lights from your battery. So I thought to myself, well, you know, it won't hurt anything to try it. It took me a little while to get around to trying it, but I did, and I heard this is for newer Harley Davidsons. Maybe it works with other bikes too, so it's worth a try. It was pretty easy. I already did it on my bike, so the Hyperflash is gone. Hyperdrive. What am I, outer space? All right, so it was this simple to do this. You turn your motorcycle to the on position. You don't have to start it. And then you find your four-ways, your hazards, your cautions, whatever you want to call them. You turn them on and you let them flash. And then you turn your ignition all the way to off, but because they're your hazard lights or your four-ways, they'll still stay flashing, so the bike is off. And then all I did was turn my ignition all the way to on again, and I turned off the four-ways, and I turned on my blinkers, and all the Hyperflash was gone. So I want to give a lot of credit to Roger. Thank you very much. So simple to do. I don't know why it's not in the manual or the directions that come with the retrofit LEDs from Harley. It took all of 2 seconds to do. So yeah, I hope that helps somebody out. Some guys don't even care about the Hyperflash or whatever, but if you have a newer Harley, you have Hyperflash, give that a try. It's a quick fix instead of spending money on all kinds of stuff to go in there. Alright, so this is my first video in my new little studio here in my garage. Check out that makeover. I'll put a link up above and in the description. I'm loving this new setup, the new floor. Painted the place up. Hopefully gonna do some fun stuff here. But I knew I had this video I wanted to do, like I said, something real simple, but who knew? Alright guys, so until next time, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.